Every development platform today looks impressive. Sleek dashboards, AI-powered everything. But here's the question leaders should be asking. What is the AI actually trained on? The answer is that most AI development tools are trained with content from the whole internet. This includes poor data sources like blogs, articles, forums, and wikis that are not grounded in validated development science. That might be fine for creating meeting agendas, but for development at all levels, that's too important to leave to randomness and AI hallucinations. Develop It Yourself Digital is different. It's powered by the world's largest evidence-based AI database for development. The Develop It Yourself Digital database contains more than 20,000 development tips, over 15 million words of curated intellectual property. It's built on decades of validated research by trusted thought leaders. It's not scraped, not improvised. Our AI platform is backed by authentic behavioral intelligence with over 330 structured behaviors that meet you in the flow of work. Develop It Yourself Digital features developmental difficulty indicators to guide growth, key assignments that accelerate readiness, supplemental videos to reinforce learning, and individual development planning templates to commit to action. Our platform delivers development guidance that's structured, actionable, and aligned to how people grow and increase effectiveness. Develop It Yourself Digital also includes accessibility features like talk to text and the TalentTelligent voice mode. You can upload any assessment and connect insights directly to development or engage with real-time voice interaction. Your private AI development coach is backed by the world's largest evidence-based AI database for development. It's also SOC 2 Type 2 secure, individual and enterprise ready, and our outputs exclude open internet sourcing to mitigate unpredictable outputs. Develop It Yourself Digital is AI that is always grounded in science. If you're investing in digital development at scale, make sure it's built on something solid. Because the future of development isn't louder AI, it's smarter foundations. Schedule a demo and experience the difference evidence makes.